long beans thoran. This is a typical Kerala sabji. And this, see, in everywhere long beans thoran is made, but in a different style. But here in Kerala, it's something different style they prepare. And I'm telling you, this is really tasty and relish, and you feel so happy to have it. I liked it very much, and usually I prepare at home this style. So let us see what all ingredients we need to prepare the same. For preparing this long beans thoran, in Kannada we call it as Alasande Ajutunu, and in Malayalam we call it as Achinya thoran. I have taken here around 1 to 1.5 spoon of cumin seed, salt to taste, little curry leaves, some 6 to 7 green chilies, little coconut oil, and a small cup of garlic sliced. Now this particular item, if those people who don't enjoy it need not add it. This is optional. Otherwise you can add it. And I have taken 1 coconut scrape. Now here I have taken around 1 kg of long beans, sliced like this into very small pieces. Now my pan is preheated and I have added little water. Towards it, this water, I am going to add this long beans, salt towards it. I am not adding any turmeric powder towards this, because one reason is that this is from our own terrace garden. Second thing is that if you add turmeric while cooking is over, this long beans color will get fade away and it won't be looking good to see. Otherwise the long beans color will be the same. And another thing is that you need not cook it fully, just some 75% is okay. Now we'll just cover it with the top and wait till it gets cooked to some extent. Now in between we are not going to grind this coconut, but just crush it, that's all. You have to crush it along with this green chili, this curry leaves, and this cumin seed. We'll just see, you have to crush the coconut and the green chili and cumin seed like this without adding water. Now we'll just sprinkle over it. Now you mix properly. Now I'm going to season it with this garlic. See, before itself, all this thoran style, it's just green itself. I told you regarding turmeric powder. No, if you add turmeric powder, that color will get dull, but otherwise the color will be the same. And another thing is that it is only 75% cooked. Usually this thoran, they don't cook very much. And this coconut scrape, that also is raw. Now toward this we are going to add this garlic. At least try this particular recipe at least once at home and let me have your comments through my comment box. If you are happy with it, you can just pass on it to your friends and relatives, and please encourage them to subscribe. So nice of you. Thank you.